Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing the MCO Beauty review, the new limited edition from their Paradise Escape collections in collaboration with Jules Sebastian. They're actually all got a very amazing products that I would love to share with you guys. In that way you'll be able to save some money. New to my channel, my name is Michelle. Create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. If you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. If you guys wanted to find out what my reviews and my thoughts are on these new products from MCO Beauty, their limited edition from their Paradise Escape collection, collaboration with Jules Sebastian, please keep on watching. Products that I've used in today's video, guys, be listed down the description box below. I've actually tested all these products, guys, especially during the hot weather. I wanted to see if all these products actually lasted throughout the day. The primer, guys, it actually did help to modify a little bit of my pores, but unfortunately it actually didn't help to extend the wear of my makeup throughout the day during the hot weather. And if you guys don't know, I actually do have a combination to oily skin. I also got a glow primer, so that could probably be contributed that my makeup didn't actually lasted throughout the day. Tattoo brow pen, it actually helps to create natural brows. It actually do come in two different shades, which is the light medium and the medium dark. So I've actually picked up the medium dark shades. Unfortunately, this one actually doesn't work for me, guys. It actually taking me a lot longer to do my brows using this. With me, you know, shaping my brows and filling it in, it's just taking a long time to do my brows, guys. I need something fast and quick when I'm applying my eyebrows. I highly recommend it for you guys to use this if you got a thick brows. In that way you only need to fill in any gaps on your eyebrows. Brow gel is actually a very nice gel. It actually also helps to get my brows to last longer. It's one of the included on the limited edition collections. So this is actually has a 32 shades of eyeshadows. It actually do come in a matte and satin shade. This palette, guys, it's a very amazing product. It's here, guys. You can even create from day to night look, so whichever look you want to go. And they're highly pigmented color, buildable and blendable texture. This is actually retail for $25 Australian dollars. So that's the transition shade here, just above my crease. And this is also one of their matte shades. Apply this particular shade. It's got like a dark purple shade. So that's the shade here, guys. Here, guys, I've actually applied this on this space here on my lid. The shade here, guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. This palette, guys, they're actually buildable and easy to blend. Even with combining those different colors, they actually blends really easily. I've never had any problem using this palette. Lashes. So with this particular lashes, I actually absolutely love this lashes. This is their Luxe styles. They come in two different styles, which is their natural glam and their classic lashes. Felt pen, getting a liner and a glue all together. So this is actually very easy when you're actually on the go. Lip set, guys, so you actually get the universal lip liner and this lip gloss. This is a high shine lip gloss. This particular lip gloss actually doesn't it's actually not sticky, but both of them actually leaves a very moisturizing on my lips. The only thing downside of this this one, guys, is actually not the right shade for me. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below, guys, which one is your favorite products from the MCO Beauty Limited Edition in collaboration with Jules Sebastian. I would love to hear from you guys, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.